Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to blur faces and objects in Canva. Whether you are protecting someone's privacy or hiding sensitive details like text or logos, this quick method will help you get a clean, professional result without leaving the Canva editor. This is especially useful for Shopify store owners who want to showcase product photos, customer testimonials, or behind-the-scenes content while keeping private information, supplier details, or branding elements confidential. Learning this simple skill can also help you repurpose content for ads, social media, and product listings without needing advanced editing software. Start by opening your design in Canva so you are on the canvas with your image visible. Click directly on the photo you want to edit. You'll know it's selected when you see a bounding box around it. If you have multiple elements on the page, make sure you've clicked the actual photo layer and not a shape or text box. This step is important because Shopify store owners often work with layered product mockups, promotional banners, or lifestyle images that include several design elements stacked together. Selecting the correct layer ensures you only edit the intended image and avoid accidentally changing other parts of your design. With the photo selected, look to the top toolbar and click Edit Photo. This opens the photo editing panel on the left. In that panel, go to the Effects tab. Scroll down until you find the Blur option. If you don't see it right away, keep scrolling. Some effects are grouped and appear a bit lower in the list. Canva frequently updates its interface and adds new features, so the blur tool may move slightly depending on updates. Taking a moment to familiarize yourself with the effects panel can also help you discover additional tools that can improve your product visuals, such as brightness adjustments or background enhancements. Choose the brush option inside. The blur tool. The brush lets you blur only the parts you want, rather than the entire image. Before you start painting, adjust the brush size and intensity. A smaller brush is great for tight areas, like around eyes or edges of objects, while a larger brush helps cover broad areas quickly. Intensity controls how strong the blur looks. Lower values create a subtle blur, and higher values completely obscure details. For Shopify store owners, using the correct intensity can help maintain a professional appearance. For example, you might want a strong blur when hiding supplier information or order details, but a lighter blur can work when softening background distractions in lifestyle product photos. Now, paint over the face, text, or object you want to obscure. Use slow, controlled strokes for accuracy. Zooming in can help you stay inside the edges and avoid blurring areas you want to keep sharp. If you are covering a face, aim to blur the eyes and identifying features thoroughly. Text. Follow the shape of the letters to ensure everything is unreadable. This is particularly helpful when sharing screenshots of customer orders, shipping labels, or dashboard analytics in educational or promotional content. Careful blurring helps you stay compliant with privacy standards while still allowing you to share valuable proof and insights with your audience. If you need to refine, use the intensity slider to increase or decrease the blur until it looks right. Made a mistake? Click Remove to erase any accidental blur and restore the original area, then continue painting. You can switch between blurring and removing as needed to tidy the edges and keep the effect natural. Taking time to refine your edits helps maintain brand credibility because polished visuals often build more trust with potential customers and improve the overall quality of your storefront or marketing materials. When you are satisfied, click back to exit the blur tool and return to the main editing. Options. Canva saves your changes automatically, so there is no extra step to preserve your work. This automatic saving feature is helpful when you are working on multiple product images or promotional graphics because it reduces the risk of losing progress and speeds up your workflow. That's it. Thanks for watching.